Emergencies can happen anytime, anywhere. Whether it's a minor injury or a life-threatening incident, knowing how to respond effectively with first aid can make a world of difference. At OSHA Education School, our comprehensive first aid training course equips you with vital skills to handle a range of medical emergencies. In this course, you'll learn how to assess a scene, provide immediate care, and protect yourself and others. Scene and victim assessment, basic life support, including CPR and choking care, wound care and bleeding control, shock and anaphylaxis, first aid, burn treatment and electrical shock response, management of bone, joint and muscle injuries, emergency procedures for sudden illnesses. Our training begins with the fundamentals: how to assess the situation and the victim, check for hazards, and obtain consent before providing help. This ensures a safe and effective response. You'll learn life-saving techniques including CPR, how to assist a choking victim, and the recovery position for various medical conditions. Quick action during a cardiac emergency can mean the difference between life and death. Our course covers wound care techniques, from controlling bleeding to dressing minor cuts and managing severe injuries like impaled objects. Understanding proper bandaging can reduce infection risks and stabilize wounds. Learn essential first aid for burns and shock. You'll discover how to identify burn severity and provide appropriate care, as well as recognizing and treating shock to prevent further complications. By completing this course, you'll gain the confidence to respond to medical emergencies, reduce the severity of injuries, and enhance workplace safety. Plus, upon course completion, you'll receive a certificate, proving your first aid expertise. This training is essential for everyone, from employees and managers to anyone in high-risk environments. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link in the description to enroll now. Complete the comprehensive first aid training course and get certified today.